In this video from Sharp XE-A303, we're taking a quick look at how you can shift the position of the decimal point on the XE-A303, 406 or 40S registers. So standard operation of this version of the machine, the 303, has 2 decimal points, which is fine for the UK, Europe, Canada, Australia and America. So what happens is when you type in 100 and apply it to a department, it puts in a decimal point, so you've effectively sold a pound, a euro or a dollar. In this video I'll show you how to shift that so there is no decimal point. So as far as I'm aware, that would apply in countries like Paraguay, Rwanda, Japan, Chile, Iceland, Uganda and plenty more. The procedure is shown in the manual, so I'll show you where I'm getting this information from. In the UK version of the manual, you're looking for page 68, and I'm following the flowchart at the top of there, and then I'm following job code 61, which is on the next page. It's job code 61. All the other pieces of programming I'm keeping at the default, so negative department is enabled, fractional treatment is at the default round off, and so on and so on. So it's worth consulting the manual, even if you're following my video, to just double check that the default settings for all the items under job code 61 are correct. The only one I'm doing non-default is the last one, H, which is the position of the decimal point. Okay, so to set your decimal point to 0 or to remove it entirely, you need the metal key marked MA. You need to turn it round to the PGM position so that PGM 0.00 is displayed on screen. Then you press the hash TMST button here, enter job code, which is 61, press the multiply button, it'll say others 1 prog, and then we now need to type in the code, which I've worked out to be 00100110. To do that, all I've done is looked at all the addresses on job code 61 and used the default one. So on the Sharp manuals, all the default settings are starred. So for this line, for option C, I'm choosing 1 because that's the default. The only one I'm doing any different is the last one, which I'm setting to 0 because I do not want a decimal point. So you type in that code, 00100110. You then press the hash TMST button to save. We'll move that out of the way, and then press the big green button here, TLNS, to confirm. You get a little printout confirming what you've done, so it's PGM 61 and then that code we've just typed in. You can see the display is different already, so it's now PGM 0 instead of 0.00. And then when you turn the key back to the register mode, the display is also showing 0. If we now type in that 100, remember the default setting for the machine for the UK would now sell this at £1 or 1.00. Now the machine's setting it to 100. Likewise, if we type in 1000 in the UK with 2 decimal points, that would be £10 or 10.00. On this machine, there's no decimal point, so it's 1,000. Okay, hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the XE-A303 and other Sharp cash registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.